Have a cigar. Everybody is a star. Have a cigar. Just get your puffing up to par. Let me be blunt. You can smoke it right up front, west of Del Rey. Just let a big man lead the way. They'll be selling, you'll be smelling. Have a cigar. Have a cigar. Just don't smoke it in my car. Take it outside. Don't be stinking up my ride. Some smell okay. Just keep it outside anyway. A lady might puff if she's really man enough. They'll be selling, you'll be smelling. Have a cigar. And a tiller, you're a smart, successful fella, fine and mellow, but your teeth are turning